Let's go. Whoa. What is that? Just wait. I can't see it much. Okay, guys, let's see. And look everywhere. Can see it. Yeah. Mother hen? Yeah. Hayang! Ano kayang? Okay, that's my friend Yang Yang. Okay, let's get in. What you can see is this is the computer shop, and is anybody there? Ooh, yeah. Two people. Two people. Yeah. Two of the people. Yeah, this is quite wiggly. Strange. Okay. Wait lang. Ano? Okay. Look at this. A plant. Yeah. Oh. A peacock jumping spider. Wow. Wow, that's a peacock spider. Okay. There is so many bugs crawling around here. Okay. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, it's a balancing. Hi, doggy. Where is your fur? Okay. Okay, now